So here I am sitting at my computer at night, and my kitties are right here. They wanted to be right next to me, and then they wanted to be right next to each other too. Oh, little cuddlers. Roger. He's laying on Sammy's face. And Sammy's so tired he doesn't even care.